Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn for your general energies and also for your love energies, Capricorn. So first I'll be taking cards for your general energies guys, and then we'll be moving on to your love energies, Capricorn. So what is coming up for your general energies, Capricorn, for your general energies? Oh my god guys, we're starting with the heart card. We have the synth, we have the garden and the man. So definitely Capricorn, you're improving. I see here that you've healed from a particular situation. Maybe you had a heartbreak or you had something that definitely you went through, but then you're healed from that situation. So this is a card which kind of like represents that you've been healed, or you're all right now, you're definitely happy. It represents that you're spending most of your time this week with your family members, with your kids, or with the people that you love guys, like the people that you generally are with, maybe with your parents, with your kids, or with your friends. It can be with your neighbors, like the people who you are near with. You're kind of like spending more time with these people is what I'm getting here. With the synth, you no longer want negativity, so you're away from negativity. If someone is going to be very negative, you will not like that. If people are positive, you will like it, but you know when people are really concerned about you, and you know when they're acting as if they're concerned. Okay, so you're going to be really cautious about whom you deal with and what about everything is what I'm getting here guys. With this garden, this represents a lot of growth, so you definitely are growing this week. And I see here this man is looking at your growth, or someone is going to be jealous, like you're growing really fast, you're growing, and someone is going to be jealous of your growth guys, because if you can see, this man is kind of like with a binocular, kind of, I don't know, this is a binocular, I don't think this is a binocular, with this, I don't know what, telescope. I don't know what's this guys. If you know what's this, please make sure you comment down below and let me know. So this person is like kind of like seeing through that, like you are growing and everything. This is not literally like this person viewing you from a far distance. It can mean like this person is spying on you on social media. It can be this person is like talking about you and finding out things, maybe not directly but indirectly, and maybe you don't know it. Okay, so I see here that this person is very jealous of your growth. This person really doesn't know why, like how you've grown so much, because if you can see here guys, we have like your growth is just amazing, and this person's very jealous because maybe they've tried but then they never grew, but then seeing you grow, this person's feeling really sad and really irritated, and they don't really know what to do to kind of like come out of this energy is what I'm getting here guys, my lovely Capricorn. So I hope you got the overall energies, Capricorn. So I'll be taking some tarot cards for your love energies. Let's just see what's coming up for your love energies guys, for your person's love energies, also for your love energies. Okay guys, so we have the Three of Wands, Prince of Swords, very mysterious energy. This is for your person's energies, and I'll be taking cards for your energies. I'm getting Pisces, guys. I don't know why when I close my eyes I kind of like thought about Pisces, but you may be dealing with a Pisces, Scorpio, Cancers. It can be any sign, but generally Pisces, Aries. What else, guys? Can be Libras, Virgos. Okay, so let's see what's coming up for your energies first. Even Aquarius for some of you guys. So we have the Nine of Wands in reverse, the Princess of Swords, and the Three of Swords. If you can notice it, this person right now, Capricorn, at this week, this person and you are going to be reflecting some kind of an energy, but I see here that this person's really been through a lot, and even you've been through a lot, maybe financially, maybe like even this person struggling, you're struggling, both of you are struggling financially is also what I can get here. And this might be really sad for you, really irritating for you, because you don't know what to do, you don't know who to trust, you don't know what to manifest. You're really like irritated right now, okay? Or you were irritated, but now you're moving towards calmer waters, you're feeling fine, you're not like so irritated like you were before, but you're okay, not so irritated but fine. So that is a kind of a characteristics that you'll be in. You're fine, you're not so fine, you're not so good with the decision or whatever it is, but you're all right, guys. But you're all right, you're not really sad or really feeling hectic or that kind of an energy I don't see here. So maybe you're not so very fine, you're not so very awesome, but yes, you're fine is what I'm getting here, okay? So with the Princess of Swords, the major energy is that, guys, this person finds you really mysterious. Maybe you've been through a lot too, but then there's a lot of changes going on in your life that this person cannot figure you out easily, or you're being this person who is not able to, this person cannot figure you out easily, guys. Like if they talk to you or whatever it is, it's really hard to kind of like find out how you are. It's really hard to see how you are, and that is what I'm getting here. This person finds it really crazy to kind of like figure you out, because it's just a great work for them. They don't know your true characteristics. No matter how hard they try to kind of like figure you out, they kind of like always with a question mark about your character or about you in general, okay? And with the Three of Wands, this card mostly represents a card where again this person is spying on you. So mostly, guys, as I told before, like this person and this person can be the same people, but I see here that for some of you it's different. So this person, as I told over here, like this person may be jealous of your growth, but I also see here, guys, this person is viewing you from a far distance. It can be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, it can be Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. This person is very concerned about you. They're looking at you from a far distance, spying on you on social media and seeing like how far you've grown, like have you become this person whom they always wanted you to be, or something like that can also be the case for some of you. But I see here that, guys, like you both are reflecting your energies, because I see here that you have kids with this person. It's like maybe this person has kids with someone else too. I don't know if that's right, but I see here that you definitely have kids with this person. And with the Sun card in reverse, you feel drained. You feel like you're no longer the nice person. You're no longer the nice person. You don't want to be all lovey-dovey. You will show your character if you have to. Capricorn, that's how you are. You don't want people to take you for granted. You don't want to be in this energy anymore, in this stuck energy anymore. And therefore, if you feel like people will take advantage of you, you will quit from that situation. You don't want that. So you don't want to be all nice and lovey-dovey to people anymore. You are at your true nature, in the sense like if you are happy, you stay happy. Like if you're sad, you're kind of sad. Maybe you express your emotions often. Doesn't mean you are not true to yourself, okay? So this is what I'm getting here for you, my lovely Capricorn, and I see here that both of you are reflecting each other's emotions, and both of you are reflecting each other's characteristics, which like, if you're sad, your person's kind of sad too. If they're sad, you're sad too. If you're happy, you're happy too. So it's just like you don't know that you're kind of like reflecting their characteristics. So you don't know that you're reflecting their energy, but there's definitely that energy shift happening between you two. Okay, so thank you all so much, guys. Your lucky color for today is pink, and your lucky crystal for this week is obsidian. Bye guys, see you all tomorrow or in my next reading. Bye.